Hey yo, what's up, Sim Squad? Welcome to another epic banger. You already know it. Hey yo, so guys, well, I'm not gonna lie, guys. You guys might hear my voice. It's kind of like breaking, and that's actually because I'm sick. Yo, like I'm sick. But then, guys, I actually got another epic video in store for you guys today. Today we're gonna be attempting to start the Mercedes after 2 full months, y'all. It's been 2 months since I started this car, and since it's been driven. So today we gonna be attempting to start it, and well, hey yo, my voice. But then, well, yeah, we're gonna be attempting to start it, and well, yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright, you all. Here is the Benz right here, as you can see. Well, guys, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of dirty. I haven't washed it in a while, so like, yeah. But then I will wash it like later on today. But then, well, before we start it, we need to open up the what do you call this? The hood. We need to pop the hood and then put the battery in, because I took the battery out just because I didn't want the battery to die, so I took it out. And then, well, yeah, we're gonna open the hood, and then also here is the key to the Benz. Here's the key right here. This is the key. All right, well, yeah, let's pop the hood and then we're gonna put the battery back in. All right, y'all. This thing is pretty dirty. I ain't gonna lie. All right, let's pop this. We gotta pull. We gotta pull. We have to pull. All right. Here's the red lever. All right, it's open. It's open. It's open. All right, y'all. It's open. So let me pull it up. Oh, hey yo, let me set you guys up real quick. Let me set you guys up. All right, well, I popped the hood. I popped it up right here. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this thing is pretty dead. Like, look at that, yo. And also, it's pretty roughed up, bro. Like, this part right here. Well, I can't point, but then yeah. All right, bro. This is where the battery sits. That's where the battery sits. And well, that's the engine. That's the engine. Alright, y'all. Well, now I'm going to go grab the battery, and then I'm gonna put it in the car, and then we're gonna start this thing. Alright, y'all. After 30 minutes of work, I was finally able to put the battery on. As you guys can see, the headlights were on. So, yeah. But then there's the battery. See it perfectly. There's the battery. And well, now let me close this. Oh wait, sorry guys. Alright, now let me close this up, and then we're gonna go start the car. Now let's start this thing. Let's start this. Let me turn off the headlights. Headlights are off. I look if oh yeah. Alright, I closed that. Now let me take the key. Here's the key. Wait. Here it is. Wait there. Now you guys heard that. Clutch on. Let's put this thing in neutral. That's the ignition. Now, brakes. Let's start this thing in 3, 2, 1. It's on. Check that out. Alright guys, it's on. It's on. It's on. Neutral. It's on. And make sure the handbrake is actually like, all the way. Alright. Now. Well, that's the Mercedes. Let's hit the horn. Yep. That's it right there. Alright guys. Should we give it a rev? Should we rev this thing? Let's give it a rev. Let's give it a rev. Alright. You guys see that? Look at this. Alright. Alright. Alright guys. I got an idea. Let's rev match it. Yeah, let's rev match it. Let's rev this. In 3, 2, 1. Oh. Alright. 10 signal. Whoa. Stay neutral, stay neutral. Well, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Well, actually, this car has one of the best speakers like ever. Like, actually has one of the best speakers. So let's turn on. Yo. Also, guys, check this out. I'm gonna click right here and then you guys gonna see what happens. I'm gonna click right there and then look at the back. Look. Do you see that? That's honestly pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty cool, guys. That's pretty cool. That's actually pretty cool. And well, now, not gonna lie. What should I do? What should I do? Alright, let's play with the what they call the wipers. Let's play with the wipers. Alright. Alright, actually let me stop doing that because I need to wash this thing, because play with the wipers while it's steady, it's gonna low-key like injure. What do you call this? I'm not gonna say injure, but then it's gonna like it's basically going to like scratch the windscreen. It's going to scratch the windscreen. Alright, well, let me put you guys over here. Wait, you guys can't even see me. Alright. Yeah, this is actually pretty cool, guys. When I turn 16, you know, like, I'm gonna be driving, boy. Also, guys, actually, I want to like make this car look amazing, and I also need like me a subwoofer. I need me a subwoofer, like yo. I need me a subwoofer. But then, guys, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This car is pretty cool. I actually really like this car. I love it. I mean, I don't love it more than the Mazda, but I love both of the cars equally. My mom has good choice in cars, not gonna lie. Good choice. Really good choice. And right here, wait, let me actually turn off the flashlight. I'm gonna click this and then it's going to like lock. I'm gonna click the unlock. Yo, guys, the radio is playing. The radio is playing. Let me turn off the volume because the radio is playing. Well, yeah, you all. Well, guys, I actually need to show you something. This car has cruise control. Like, actually, it has cruise control. I didn't know, but it does. Look. See this thing right here? You see that? If I do like this, you see? It says Speedtronic. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. But then yeah. It's pretty cool, yo. It's pretty cool. I think when you like tap it down, it turns off. When you tap it again, it turns on. And then if I like, well, I mean, it's not going to work right now because like the car's not moving. The car needs to move. And it's also not in gear. It's in neutral. So it's not in gear. That's your boy right there. That's your boy right there. That's me right there. Yeah, you all. That's me right there. Alright. Well, that's pretty crazy. That is pretty crazy. Well, actually, I've been wanting to like adjust the seat on this thing. Yo, and like the best part is that I'm only using the buttons. Yo! Yo! Let me put it back up. You all see that? Wow, bro. Wow. This car is amazing. Well, I'm not gonna put it too up because like I'm pretty tall. Look at that. Look at that. Yo. Wait, let me put up the camera. Yo, that's my brother's book right there. I forgot. I not that I forgot, but I didn't even know that it was there. Alright, let me put it back up. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Although this thing is pretty slow, I'm not gonna lie. Like, look at that. It's taking so much time. But then, guys, I know. Yo, the phone fell. Yo, all right. My phone fell. But then, guys, one thing I really like about myself. Check this out. I got vampire teeth. Like, look. That's pretty crazy. I got vampire teeth. Your boy got vampire teeth. Yo, English. I got vampire teeth. Crazy right there. Crazy right there. Let's rev it one more time. Yeah, that's crazy, yo. That's crazy. That's like actually crazy.